17? Nawa, oh. Anyway, I'm sure. So, just for those who just tuned in today, this moment, a smiling face, Tijani is just 3 months old in the business. A lecturer, okay, sa professor po ito ang level nito. But 2 months in the business and one day you were able to become a SE, silver executives already in 2 months and 1 day, and now reach the million mark.
Yes,
so this guy is averaging an income of, I will broadcast, 350,000 per month. Okay, you treat us with dambunama.
Yes.
Okay, if you will not give me dambunama, I won't believe you. Dambunama. Okay, of course, I'm sure this is the question they want to ask you. So send in your questions, but question, how were you able to accomplish those accomplishments in just a short period of time?
The first day I joined M Global Nigeria, I have this belief in my mind, nothing is impossible in life.
Wow, nothing is
the power
impossible.
is in my hands.
Wow, so I write
I
down.
have this determination that I can do it and I can make it. That is why.
So you have this belief already.
Yes, sir.
So because of that thinking that nothing is impossible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then do you have that thinking already ever since, or it is just when you join AIM Global?
That is when I joined M Global. The first day I attended a seminar, I saw the opportunities, and I see how to get a money like oxygens. Then I believe in my heart, if this man can make it,
That man,
becomes the top
I will
one.
call that man later.
Yes, sir. I myself, I can do it.
Okay.
I have this belief.
So it's just believing in yourself.
Yes, and I work on my dreams.
Okay, and mind you, he is just doing the business, as my post says, part-time lecturer, part-time in global distributor, but with a full-time income.
Exactly.
Baga! So, what is it with in global that you decided to join? Is it the product or the business side?
Both the two, the product and the business side of it. Because in M Global, everything is extraordinary.
Really?
I believe in the product of M Global. I believe in the power or the system of leveraging. System that you can get a money while you are sleeping. And to what I'm thinking now, or what I have in my mind, the only solutions, especially in Africa, is to join M Global. And I have this belief in my mind. One day, one time, very soon, everybody must join M Global.
So that would solve the economy of the whole Africa, not just Nigeria.
Is the whole Africa, is not only the Nigeria.
Let us affect the economy of Nigeria.
Yes, especially the economies of Nigeria.
Yeah.
That is the only solutions left out. Because you can get an income and you can be an independent person of yourself using minimum costs. Because in M Global, you don't have to get or look for the rents. You understand? You don't have to get a big store. You don't have to do all this traditional way of, business.
Yeah.
All what you have to do is just to go directly into the system and start getting money like an oxygen.
Yes, listen, all Nigerians out there, not only Nigerians, African, listen to this man. So we can, within Global, we can affect the economy of Nigeria and perhaps the whole of Africa.
Exactly.
So what can you tell to the Nigerians, Africans who are still not joining in Global?
What I can say is they should join M Global because that is the only solutions for the Nigerians, especially if we look at the situations of our economies presently and perhaps the systems of our economies and the types of the leaders we have in this country. The only solution for us is to join M Global. Whether you are an educated person or you are not an educated person, in M Global you can do it, you can make it, you don't have to start thinking or calculations. The system is already programmed. You understand? You just follow the system, you understand, and you will get a lot of incomes, and you always be smile. That is why
You're always smiling.
Yes, sir. Of course. With M Global, each and every day I am smiling and I'm
That's
excited.
awesome. Okay, so why? That's why, because they notice you smiling always.
Exactly.
Well, is this the first time you joined a networking business?
This is my first time I ever joined this networking marketing. In
Wow.
fact, before I don't know what networking marketing is all about. I don't even know.
Wow. So what is it really, the factor that made you join AIM Global? Apart from those you mentioned, what is it? So because those of the people watching, they can tell the other Africans, Nigerians per se, what can they tell? Because the Africans or Nigerians, what is it? One thing when they say AIM Global, what comes into your mind?
Is leveraging system or the
Wow.
power of leverage.
Wow. The power of liberating system or the power of
Yes.
liberating? Wow.
The power of leverage.
Was it already this good when you joined AIM Global?
Yes, sir. It was.
The moment you joined,
Yes, sir.
there's no setbacks?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Of course.
But are you prepared to face all the challenges that's about to
Yes.
happen?
Yes.
What do you do to prepare? Of course, it's not always we will have the ups and downs here, right?
Exactly.
So how do you prepare for the downhill ride? I'm sure there will be rejections, there will be
Exactly.
hard times. There will be,
Exactly.
so how do you prepare for such things?
I already have this at the back of your mind. Everything good you are going to do. Some people, they are going to reject you because of one reason or the other. Some, they know that they cannot make it, so they want to discourage you. Some, they may not understand the real system, so they may discourage you. So I have this at the back of mind. Since I believe in my heart this system is good and this is where I'm going to actualize my dream, this is the system that I can do to achieve my dream. So nobody is going to stop me from achieving my dreams.
Nobody.
Nobody. I have this. Since I have this belief,
Okay.
nobody will stop me. I
Not
have
even rejections.
yes.
Not even
Yes.
changes.
Yes, sir.
Not even other
Yes,
company.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, really?
Yes,
But
of
I'm
course.
interested, okay? You can just join us here. I would like to call in the person. Let's call in the person who invited this person. Huh? Who inspired you? Do you know him before in Global or you just know him here?
No, I know him before.
Before.
Yes.
Okay, let's ask him, okay? This is the upline. Let's listen to the upline. How was he able to get this person, a lecturer, and was able to have this result in just 3 months? Can you imagine? It's possible, okay? Million daya,
Ta.
million biyo,
Ta, ta.
million ko,
Ta, ta, ta.
million daya.
Ta.
Okay. The alarm. Okay, so